Zyron classic lang to. Kaso papakitaan kita kung paano mag-chew. Papakitaan kita kung paano mag-chew. Zyron, ano nga lang sa bagong account to. Kaya nga Grandmaster lang sa bagong account to. Kaya bumalik ako sa Grandmaster. Kaya wala pang ako skin kay Chew. At ayun ang masabi ko. Bago tayo mag-start, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Let's start! Okay guys, papakitaan kita mag-chew. Zyron! Guys, narinig niyo yung ulan? May bata pa dito. Narinig niyo yung ulan guys? Guys, narinig niyo ba yung ulan? Kung oo, comment lang kayo. Wala tayo ako skin kayo, Chew, ha? Huwag ka muna mang asar, Zyron, huwag ka muna mang asar. Hintayin mo. Hintayin mo, magiging magaling, guys. Room nga ako. Hindi naman to sito sa room, eh. Kaya, room na lang tayo. Pwede naman to sa room. Kaya, Zyron, pakitaan kita mag-chew. Zyron. Guys, kung di nyo kilala si Zyron, kaklase ko yun. Guys, kaklase ko yun. Yeah, kaklase ko yun. Zyron siya. At guys, nag-bet kami. Pag natalo niya, guys, in-video ko rin naglahat. Sabi niya, pag natalo ko daw siya sa 1v1 ng Chew, i-delete niya daw ML niya. At pag natalo naman ako, i-delete ko ang ML ko. Tignan natin kung sino matalo. At tignan natin kung sino mag-delete ng ML. Sana hindi ako matalo. Guys, kasi sa next video pa yon. Bukas pa i-upload din kasi di ko alam kung mag-online siya. Pag di ako nag-post, ibig sabihin, hindi siya nag-online. Hindi si Zyron nag-online. Shout out pala dyan kay Zyron at kay Kobe. Let's start na.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
I'm so lag. Uy.
Request backup.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Ba't ganun? Yung namin, yung gold namin,
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Wait lang.
Amazing. An ally has been slain.
Grabe lag. Mga guys, lag ko talaga. Tingnan yung MS ko. Yung sulat sa giging yellow, ang lag, oh.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Tapos pag yellow, medyo naglalag. Pag green naman, hindi ako naglalag.
Okay.
Guys, Zyron, hindi ko sa'yo papakita kung paano mag-chew. Ang lag ko, eh.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Ang lag ko, eh. Pag lang ako lang nakaka-kills. Kasi pag nasa bakbakan ako, sa tao ng lag.
slain.
Aray ko po. Ay! Ba't ang lag?
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Ally has been slain.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Wait.
Enemy reached level
Hindi
4.
naman.
Unstable network.
Not knowing oneself. That's the worst.
Back up. Let me clear the way. Ally enemy double kill. Good game. Unstable network.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Gusto ko ba silang pakitaan kung
The enemy has slain the turtle.
gusto ko ba. Lalo rin si Zyron, ang yabangan ni Zyron sa akin. Sipa ako.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again. Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
An enemy has been slain.
Grabe! Nakainit ako.
In the world
Tingnan
of
naman
Kung
gano'n ako
Fu,
lag ako.
speed
Kung gano'n ako
defines the
kalag.
winner.
Guys, nakikita niyo naman kung gano'n ako kalag. Nung malapit ako dito, nagbilag ako eh.
Enemy battle
Ay!
cell on CD.
Ay! Yes.
Ally has been slain.
Ay, nakakalim kasi.
Ally has been
Tapos
slain.
pagod ako eh. Kakagaling ko yung school. Tapos sa
An enemy has been
RC,
slain.
naka 16/25 ako. Nakatawa na. Yung Zyro naman nakalimutan checkan.
Your
Kay
team
Zyro naman
destroyed a
guys,
turret.
nakalimutan checkan. Kaya humiram siya sa kaklase ko, naka 20/25 tapos ni-checkan na. Ah. Oy, diba dapat XP ka?
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Naliwan kita doon.
Launch attack.
Naliwan kita doon. I got hack, I got assist. I helped you. I helped you get the kill. I'm the best teammate. Because I helped other of my
In
teammates.
the world of Kung Fu,
Yeah.
speed defines the winner.
I'm lag. Okay ka!
But
Ally has been slain.
Yes.
empty your
Diba
cup
ko
in order to fill it again.
Saber
Okay.
na. Saber na.
Understood.
Let's you.
Launch attack.
Not knowing
Sorry,
oneself.
sorry guys.
That's
Dito
the
sa
worst.
inyo mapapakita kung
Okay.
paano mag-shoot. Kasi dahil sa lag na to,
The
yung
man who
wifi
can beat
yata.
me has not been born yet.
Hindi sa wifi. Naayos kasi nila yung ano dun eh.
Killing
Naayos ko
spree.
dun eh. Di ko alam kung ano. Basta nakakaulan sa wifi eh. Inis. Naayos na tita ko.
Ally
Dito
has
lang ako
been
nakikita wifi
slain.
kasi wala
Your
kami
team
wifi.
destroyed a turret. Our turret has been destroyed.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Blah. 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 You're gonna kill me. I'm the best even though I lag.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Mommy, I died. I died. No.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
I'm gonna die. I need to go back. To my base.
Shut down.
Ay, dahil pinatay ko na pala yun si ano. Hindi, kaso may kasama siya eh.
Our turret has been destroyed. Ally has been slain.
Guys, wait lang.
Turret under attack.
Not knowing oneself. That's the worst.
turret is under attack. Launch attack.
So guys, I'm back.
Understood.
Guys,
Our turret has been destroyed.
Space. Nakita niyo yun, nakapatay ako. Kahit lag ako.
An enemy has been slain.
Ay! Namatay na pala guys. Non.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order.
Okay guys, I'm back.
Knowing is not enough.
Uy,
We must apply.
Understood. Initiate retreat. Okay.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Ang sabi nila.
Sa
Ang sabi nito guys.
Ally has been slain.
tag-insay kayo. Oh, tag-insay. Dapat marami. Wala mga talaga. Para 300.
Ally has been slain.
Pero sa loob ng isang araw, usually pagkakamagkano.
Ay, ano nangyari? Ba't ako lumabas?
Down.
Ba't ako lumabas? Ba naman oh? Guys, nakakainis. Hintay ako.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Understood.
May kasama ka. Manggore. Nagore. May kasama ka eh. May sinundo lang ng mama ko
In the
yung
world of Kung Fu,
kapatid.
speed defines the winner.
Ay!
Under attack.
I could not see anything. Darkness.
Ally has been slain. Our turret has been initiate retreat.
Kakainis ka! Ang masabi ko sa'yo. Nakakainis ka. Ay ba?
Under attack.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
That was amazing! Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
May assist ba? Wala pang assist dun! Ako na nga nagsipa nun eh. Nakakainis ka. Ako lang mapis sa bahay. Nakakainis ka.
Initiate retreat is under attack.
Nakakainis ka. Ba't ganun andito yung may kasama ako sa bahay? Ang galing.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Been destroyed. Your team destroyed a
Yan
turret.
guys.
Shut
Hindi ako
down.
sa ito naman. Lyron. Ginagamit ko si Q. Lyron ginagamit ko si Q.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Ginagamit ko si Q. Papakita ko sa'yo kung paano gumamit si Q. Ayan, Lyron pa.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Ang paano gumamit lang. Lyron.
Attack the Lord has slain Lord.
Hindi kasi lag kasi ah. Tignan mo, kanina ang lag. Kaya di ako makalabas. Tignan mo yun.
Ally has been killing spree. Solo kill.
Then,
Great play. Ally has been double kill.
ito. Back up.
Request
Back
backup.
up. Lyron, okay lang kung nag-vlog ko to ah. Guys, papakita ko lang kasi kay Jay.
Shut down.
Isasend ko sa kanya. Ay, mamamatay ako! Ay! Lyron, wala ka nakita ah. Okay, wala ka nakita Lyron.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Huwag mong pansinin na 1-2 dyan ah. Hindi kasi lag kasi ah. Tignan mo, kanina ang lag. Kaya di ako makagalaw kasi tignan mo na lag. Guys, ano ko lang kasi yung kay ano ko kay Jairon, kaso wag na lang pala. Kasi namatay ako at guys, ang lag talaga. Jairon, tignan na lang natin sa 1v1. Tignan na lang natin sa 1v1 Jairon. Tignan na lang natin sa 1v1 Jairon. Jairon ha. Tignan na lang natin sa 1v. Madami pa ako nisasalita. Tahimik na ako guys. Tahimik na ako. At bye! Ay, di pa pala mag-bye. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, comment, share, and like this video. Bye! Bye!